guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So I'm about to do a review on the new Fenty mascara, and she has also released some eyeliners, and I'm dying to see if the hype about these products are real. So if you want to see the review on these, if you want to see if they really works, then stay tuned and watch this video. All right, so the Fenty mascara, this is the packaging. So that's what it looks like. And again, it just says Fenty Beauty, and it's a full frontal volume lift curly mascara. And again, it's claimed to give a lot of volume. So it says it's all out volume, eyes open, lift, curl, ultimate long wear, exclusive at a flat brush. It says exclusively flat brush. It's actually smudge resistant, so I love that about it. So I am gonna try to see, I am gonna use this mascara underneath my eyes to see if I get any volume under there. You guys already know I have a lot of lashes under there, a lot. Now, moving on to the eyeliner. I mean, sky's the limit, 22 different color of eyeliner. And this is actually the Creamy Intense Glide Smudge Resistance, Water Resistance, Long Wear, textured in this creamy long wear. Needless to say more. So I am going to try this in my waterline. Now I call it like the water eyes. So whatever eyeliner that I put under in my tear duct or right in my waterline, it's normally tend to run to the side throughout the day. So I've been walking around with a lot of black running through here. So I'm going to try this on my hand, and then I am also going to go in and put this in my waterline. Now the color that I got is See About It. Just see about it. Just like that. Attitude. See About It. So the color is See About It. Now the only thing that I don't like about this eyeliner, and that is the color. It is able to, it's a retractable rephrase. You're able to roll it up, whatever you call it, but you're not able to retract it. So I don't like that. So if this is enough and you want to get some more, you have to really make sure that you did not put the excess amount, or look what I'm talking about. So if I start turning it, it will go up. It will increase. But for it to go back, that's it. It will not. So that's the only thing I don't like about the eyeliner. The mascara, I love the packaging. It's like a gold and black really coming down into the gold. It looks really good. Look at it. Yep, Fenty Beauty is doing the thing. I know I just talked about this maybe last year that they need to start coming into the eyeliner and the mascara, and here they are. So this is what the brush look like, or the bristle. I'm gonna make sure this thing is, there you go. So that's what it looks like. Really flat. Yeah, really flat. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this underneath my eyes. so that is the first coat. Now I can tell you, look at that. It really volume. It gives my eyelash volume is actually longer than they ever is. And I normally use the Too Faced, the damn mascara. So this, I don't remember seeing my bottom lashes that long. Like, look at it. Yeah. So this will be my second coat. I'm going to make sure I remove some of the product because that was a lot. See, I talk about my watery eyes. Yeah. So that was the mascara. Look at it. Looks really good, ain't it? I know. Rihanna, you did this. Now, I know the color that I have, See About It, may not fit in with this look because I got orange and yellow on my eyes. So, but I'm still going to put it because I want y'all to see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it's like a royal purple blue. I would say it's like a blue purple, but guess what? This thing don't go anywhere. You got to use oil to remove it. So I'm going to put it on in my waterline and I'm going to try not to mess up my makeup. Can you just imagine? The mascara stand up to the claim. Really, really nice. Look at my eyes, guys. What? Again, this is the Fenty, the new Fenty. I mean, that's the only one that she has. This is the new Fenty, the mascara. I'm telling you. And this is called Full Frontal. Full Frontal. You know she be coming up with some names. So it is what it said it is. And it does what it said it does. And look. That is the eyeliner that I have on. It's currently dry and it's not going nowhere. Fenty, Fenty. You have done it again. My God, how do you get it right all the time? So, not going nowhere, guys. So, yep, that's the Fenty mascara. Give me volume. Look at the eyes. Volume. Volume. I can't say anything else. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And that is all the Fenty product that I have. But yes, I did pick up some more Juvia's Place palettes. You guys know you cannot go wrong with Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. It's like, you can't go wrong. It's like impossible. So again, and they had a sale, so you can't beat it. So these are the shade that I pick up. This is more summer, somewhat fall. But let me tell you, the Shahari #2. This is all fall, baby. Don't worry about all that color, but look at all these colors here. Fall, 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 fall. So I cannot wait to create a look with this. Too Faced. I think Riri came for y'all. Yes, she did. Yep, she came and she did it. I love the eyeliner. I am going to pick up another color just for something else. I mean, I can use it to do Sky is the Limit. And especially since they're smudge proof, waterproof, water resistant, and a long wearing. Yeah, I'm definitely going to pick up some more shade. I'm always going to have this mascara. I love it. You guys know I'm not a big fan of mascara, but when you get this, when you're getting this, what do you say? I love it. Anyway, that's all that I have. I'm not going to keep rambling. Happy New Year if I never said it before. Happy New Year. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share these videos. And again, on this channel, if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining us on this channel. What we talk about is products like these. We do products review. I do tutorials. And we do some vlogs on this channel. So if those are things that you're interested in, please share these videos, subscribe, and stay tuned to watch all my video. Again, Riri, you did that. You did that. Yeah, man. Anyway, guys, see you all on my next video. Bye, guys.